Imagine you see a kid, he has a lemonade stand. The stand isn't doing too well. It makes about $10 a day. Let's say a rich kid who knows how the lemonade stand works offers to buy the lemonade stand. Because of his knowledge, experience, and resources, he makes it so much better. What they do is buy the lemonade stand, hire better workers, improve the recipe, advertise it, and now the stand earns $100 a day instead of $10 a day. After a few years of running the lemonade stand and increasing its revenue, which in turn increases the price of the whole lemonade stand, we will sell it on a much higher price than we bought it for. In lemonade, in real life, instead of lemonade stands, private equity firms buy real companies. For example, a restaurant chain, a clothing business, a software company. The list goes on. They try to make the company more valuable, then sell it for a few years later for a profit. Now, why is it called private equity? It is because the companies that are bought by these private equity firms are usually not traded on the stock market. They are privately owned. Thanks for watching.